to record. Man, they've been calling for rain every day for the last like week and a half. And it rained like mad hard earlier today, so I was expecting to be in the house all day. But it looked like it's raining up there, dog. I don't know, the sun came out, so I was like, all right, let me take a quick ride. But I don't know, dog. I mean, yeah, like I've ridden in the rain plenty of times, but not by choice. I don't like that shit. And I got on short sleeves, chilling. But yeah, I don't know, we'll see. I might turn around if it starts raining. But yeah, man. Pretty nice day, other than the clouds. Like I said, I'm gonna try to start making videos again, man. I ain't seen too many bikes out since I've been out, but I don't know, we'll see. I'll be riding dolo, bro. I've been riding by myself for a minute. I just tightened my chain too. I realized it was mad loose. Took care of that. Bike is a little bit more responsive as far as the shifting and all that. I don't like them clouds, bro. We'll see. It might not do nothing. We'll see. We'll be positive. And it's supposed to be, they call it for rain every day this week too, so it's like I'm trying to get it in where I can, you feel me? Since I got the shift shaft replaced, the bike been gravy. The only thing that's still wrong, which I mean it don't bother me too much because I'm used to it, but like I don't know if you can see my dash, but my fourth gear, it don't tell me that I'm in fourth gear. I just know that it's fourth gear. Like it'll flash and like it might go down to like 3 or 2, even though I'm still in fourth gear. That's been messed up for the last few years. I mean, it ain't really bothered me. I know what gears I'm in because I know my bike. But I mean, other than that, the bike been straight, man. Bike gravy. Tires still good. I don't remember when I got these tires. I always rock the Michelin Pilot Power tires. I feel like I got them like 3 years ago at this point, maybe 2. I don't know, but they still got a lot of life left in them. Man, what's going on with y'all, man? Like for real, I stopped making videos for like 3 years, I think, maybe 2. I don't know. I might be exaggerating. I don't know. I just feel like it's been forever, and like I said, I still been on my bike. I just ain't been recording videos like I used to. But I'm gonna try to get back into it, man. Try to start posting more content. Like my Instagram been dead, bro. I might post some random stuff here and there, but like not like I used to. I'm gonna try to get back on it, man. I also been trying to stream too, you know, playing the game and shit. Y'all might have seen that on my Instagram. I don't know if I want to make a whole nother page for that or not though, but I mean, if y'all into gaming and streaming and all that, follow my Twitch and my TikTok, Zay the Gamer. I would appreciate that. I'm trying to do a little bit of everything, man. And it's like, the thing is, regular shit that I always do. Like, you know, I'll be on the game when I'm in the house. I'll be on the bike when it's nice outside. So like, just my everyday shit, just, you know, recording it for real, for real. Surprising. A lot of people ask me to do a wheelie. Either rev it or do a wheelie. Ain't no room right here, obviously, but people love bikes. That's one thing that nobody can deny. People love bikes. But yeah, like I said in my other video, I'm trying to figure out like what other type of content I could start posting. Like, you know, I've been doing the moto vlogs since like 2018, and like with the GoPro and all that. But like, I'm wondering if I could do like some other shit, like some car shit or something. I don't know. Damn, dog. Buddy, mad close, dog. What the fuck? Most people will give me like at least a car length. I got that 6'4" Honda shirt that says, "If you can read this, please back the fuck up." But that shit got a little small since I've been in the gym. I can't even fit that shit. It should look like a little kid shirt on me. I need to get another one. You know, one thing that I've been seeing that I'm kind of happy to see on the gram and shit, like I've been seeing some vloggers around the area, which I mean we never really had too many of when I first started. But it's like, yo, I ain't never seen these people before. Like, where they come from? They be like, they got hella followers and shit. I need to link up with them. Yeah, I need to find some people and link up, man. Like I said, I've been dolo for a minute. Just been chilling, relaxing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm trying to link up with some other content creators. Cause like when I was like a couple years ago when I was vlogging, I was the only one who was doing that around here. Like, you know, some people like recording shit, but nobody like had any kind of like audio or nothing. So like it's good to see like people still doing that and like more people around here doing it. I gotta find those people. It's corners. I ain't been on those back roads in a minute. I think that's what I'm gonna do right now before I head back home. As long as the weather holds up. Fishing spot. Twisties is up here to the right, but I'm not doing that today. I'm gonna save that for another day. Kids be staring, that shit is funny. I mean, I definitely had that reaction when I was a kid when I saw bikes. That's why I have one now. I used to stop everything I'm doing and watch the bike go by. Gotta know how to do that rev matching for safe stops, man. Back a lot because I don't have mirrors. Don't judge me. Bike didn't come with mirrors and I never wanted to buy any, so it's like, I mean, for one, the bike looks better without them, and two, I do head checks anyway. You know, I don't always trust the mirrors, so that's why I ain't never worried about it. Oh, come on, man. You go under the speed limit. My foot slipped off the peg. I'm in this corner though. I still got it. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna end the video here. Holla back at y'all next video, man. Be looking out for more content. I'm gonna start posting again, man. I'm out.